So over here you can see that I have some masks right here, and you can see that I got pins for the mask that shows up, as you can see. So the pins can be utilized to select out individual masks and to actually delete them out as well. So you can click and delete them, as you can see, or you can go around and select them. Well, let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and change out how these pins are shown. So in that case, you can click on the three dot button right here, and then you can see that show unselected mask pin is an option and show pins and tool is an option. So if I were to go around and disable this, you don't see the pins anymore anywhere, as you can see right here. But if you want to show it, you can show the pins and tools right here. But if I were to show the unselected mask pins, then you can see the unselected pins as well. So you can select out other masks over here. You can see all of the pins, as you can see right here, which allows you to select out the mask right here, just like this. So you can go around and hide the unselected pins or show it. So once you show it, you can see this mask right here that shows up. So you can simply go around and change it out. And this is especially useful when there are multiple layers of masks like this. And that is how you can utilize pins and unselected mask pins inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.